Dear students, in this session, we will go through the topic that is projections of point. We have already seen the topic that is what is orthographic projections, basics of orthographic projections, and why it is important or why orthographic projection is important for an engineering community. Also, we have seen the difference between first angle and third angle projection systems. Now, considering that as a basic requirements, now we will start the topic that is projections of point. So, in this particular session, we will go through the procedure how to obtain the projections of point when the point is in different quadrants, or you can say the point is in different positions with respect to HP and VP. So, starting with the topic, we will go through the first, that is projection of point when point is in first quadrant. We know that for first quadrant we require HP and VP. Also, the intersection of two plane HP and VP is nothing but the XY line. This one is the horizontal plane, that is HP, while the red one is nothing but the vertical plane VP. So, this particular position of HP and VP will represent the first quadrant. In first quadrant, the position of the object is generally, that is above HP and in front of VP. So, position of the object in first quadrant is above HP and in front of VP. Consider a point A which is in first quadrant, that is PMM above HP and QMM in front of VP. So here point A is in first quadrant, that is PMM above HP and QMM in front of VP, and we have to draw its projection. Now we know that projection of a point on VP. We already discussed in earlier session that projection of the object on VP gives front view. So here projection of a point A on VP is nothing but the front view, and that is denoted by small letter. Your object is denoted by capital letter, then its projection is denoted by small letter, that is A dash. That is nothing but the front view. We also know that projection of a point on HP is the top view, that is small a. When we obtain the projection of a point A on HP and VP, that is front view and top view, in this particular position, then we also know that how to draw its projection on a single plane. So here again we also know that dimension with respect to HP is visible in front view. Here the viewing direction for front view is this one. Okay. So from this direction we are viewing the front view. So this P dimension PMM is visible in front view. So front view of a point A, that is A dash, is PMM above XY line. Similarly, dimension with respect to VP is visible in top view. When you view the position of point A from the top direction, you will see the dimension Q. Okay. So the top view of a point A, that is small a, is QMM from XY line. We know that HP is rotated 90 degree in clockwise direction and VP will remain as it is. So we can obtain both the projection A dash and A in same plane. We know that for a point, its projections, that is front view A dash and top view A, are on same vertical projector. A dash and A are on same vertical projector, which is perpendicular to XY. Okay. Now we need to draw the projection of point A when it is in first quadrant. Then how to start it? So this one is the demonstration. Now the answer. So first step, you need to draw a XY line. That is nothing but the reference line. Then you have to draw a vertical projector on which you will draw projections, that is front view and top view of a point A. So we have drawn here the vertical projector on which A dash and A will be there. Now we know that front view, that is A dash, is PMM above XY. So mark A dash, that is front view, that is PMM above XY line on the vertical projector. Now we also know that point is in first quadrant, so top view will be below XY line and which is QMM below XY line. So mark top view, that is A, QMM below XY line on same vertical projector. So here final answer of the problem when point A is in first quadrant is this answer. Okay, this one is the answer when point A is in first quadrant, that is PMM above HP and QMM in front of VP. Now consider point is in second quadrant. We know that position of the object in second quadrant is above HP, behind VP. So second quadrant is defined like this. That is, yellow plane is nothing but the HP, red plane is the VP, intersection of HP and VP is XY line, and position of the object is above HP and behind VP. Above HP and behind VP. Right? So consider a point A, which is PMM above HP and QMM behind VP. Right? Again, projection of a point A on VP, we know that that is nothing but the front view, that is A dash on VP. We can see over here. Here, the point is in second quadrant, position of the observer is from this side. So the plane of projection is in between the object, that is point A, and observer. So plane of projection is considered here as a transparent plane. So on VP we have the front view, that is A dash. Similar way on HP we will have the top view of the point A, that is small a. Now position of A dash, that is front view of point A. As we know that dimension with respect to HP is visible in front view. That means A dash is PMM above XY line. Also dimension with respect to VP is visible in top view. So top view of point A is QMM above XY line or QMM from XY line. Now we know that VP will remain as it is and HP will be rotated 90 degree in clockwise direction. So yellow plane, that is nothing but the HP, will be rotated in 90 in clockwise direction by 90 degree. So we will obtain the projections like this, right? Here we know that when object is in second quadrant, both the projections will be above XY line. Also For a point, its projections front view and top view are on same vertical projector. So first draw XY line, the final answer. Now we are drawing. Second, draw vertical projector. Front view, we know that which is PMM from XY line. So on the same vertical projector from XY at a distance PMM, mark A dash, that is nothing but the front view, and mark a top view from XY line, okay, at a QMM. So when a point is in second quadrant, the final answer, that is projections of a point, is this one. We have to consider HP VP like this. An intersection of line is XY line. Here position of the object will be below HP and behind VP. Point A is PMM below HP and QMM behind VP. Okay. So now we know that projection of a point on VP is the front view, that is A dash. Projection of the point on HP is the top view, that is A. Okay. The dimension with respect to HP is visible in front view. So A dash is PMM from XY line. The dimension with respect to VP is visible in top view. So top view of point A, that is small a, is QMM from XY line. Again, here also we have to consider position of vertical plane, that is VP is fixed and we have to rotate HP in clockwise direction by 90 degree. So you can obtain the final projections like this in plane. So ultimately for a point, its projections front view and top view are on same vertical projector. Again we need to draw projections. For that also draw XY line, draw vertical projector. To draw the projections of a point A and A dash, we need to draw a vertical projector. Mark front view, that is PMM from XY line. Here, when point is in third quadrant, the front view will be below XY line. So A dash is PMM below XY line. And top view, that is A, is QMM above XY line. So ultimate answer of this particular problem, that is when point A is in third quadrant, is this rectangle. Okay. So this one is the final answer when point A is PMM below HP and QMM behind VP. Now we will see the projections of a point when point is in fourth quadrant. So for fourth quadrant, HP and VP we have to consider like this XY line. Okay, so this one is the HP, red one is the VP. Object is below HP in front of VP, right? So object. So here point is PMM below HP, QMM in front of VP. Projection of a point A on VP, that is nothing but the front view, that is A dash on VP. Projection on HP, that is nothing but the top view, that is small a on HP. We know that dimensions with respect to HP is visible in front view, that means A dash is PMM below XY line. Dimensions with respect to VP is visible in top view, so top view, that is A, is QMM from XY line. Again we have to consider the position of VP as it is, and we have to rotate HP by 90 degree in clockwise direction. So we will get the projections of point A, that is A dash and A, both below XY, right? So final answer we can obtain like this. Okay, for a point, its projections front view and top view are on same vertical projector. So first draw XY line, Okay. Then draw a vertical projector on which we will consider the projections of a point A dash and A. Mark A dash, that is nothing but the front view, that is PMM below XY line on the same vertical projector. Also mark top view, that is A, that is QMM from XY line, below XY line. Okay. So here A and A dash both are below XY line. At the, so when the point is in fourth quadrant, the final answer is this. Right? So ultimately we have to remember the three main important points over here. That is, first point is the projection of an object on VP is the front view. Projection of an object on HP is the top view. Second point is related to dimension. That is, dimension given with respect to HP is visible in front view. Dimensions given with respect to VP is visible in top view. And last point, that is, for a point, its projections, that is front view and top view, are on same vertical projector. So these are the three important points which we need to remember as far as projections of point is concerned. Also, these points are required when we solve the further topics, that is projections of straight line, projections of plane, projections of solid.